Philippines.
And this began during the time of the 60s.
Yeah. So, ito yung for the last 50.
Right. 1960. Pagkapakan naman po natin.
Wow, ang dami-dami niya. We are counting 50 years. And now we're home.
50 years, their golden jubilee.
I have to give the microphone to Ma'am Vilma. I know you are the president before.
I don't have a voice, but because of my love for UST-EXS, I'm still alive. Praise the Lord. So, we have a cheer for you, my former professors and teachers, and of course the administration and schoolmates. Hep, hep. Started all with love. So we work hand in hand. The US, Canadian classmates of ours, and of course the Philippine setting with Vilma Alvarez, the leader of the group. Yep. You. 1, 2, ready, go. You. S. T. E. H. S.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's 1960. And now we award
I have Miss Bass from Canada to take my place because in Golden Voice ko nawala na because too much in love with all the activities of our alma mater.
Labis po kaming nagagalak na bumarito ngayon at kami ay gustong bumati sa lahat ng na nag-graduate ng UST-EXS sa lahat ng graduates at ang sasabihin ko po ang aming batch ay talaga namang napakaganda ng pagkakakapit-kapit ngayong araw na ito at ngayong araw. Kaya maaaring kami mag-reunion pa. And we are proud to say that we are graduates of UST-EXS.
Golden Jubilarians, class 1961. Sila.
We come from London, Michigan, Fresno, California, Virginia, Cerritos, California, and Los Angeles, California, and some of them are locals. We are very happy to be here and to share. This is the first time that our batch has attended, like the other previous alums. We never knew of a reunion until those reason we were able to gather a few of us to come and celebrate with you. We are very thankful for that. So happy to everybody. And yes, we are indeed thankful that we have had the chance to be here and join you.
That we call them together. 62 and 63.
Boklat at 62 and 63.
They will be joined by their teacher, Ma'am Liela San Agustin Salgado.
Loving the outfit. Ayan. So, Shalimar, as you can see, medyo parang parinig din ang batch niya ito sa atin. Ang 62 and 63. Dahil ang 2000 and 2001, pwede rin tayong maging
Yes.
ganyan.
Let this be an example to the batches. Always be united. Diba? 62 and 63. Yes. All right.
An ending grace po. We would like to really thank everyone. Ang inay mo rin.
Teacher na teacher ka na.
Thank you.
Ay, si Ma'am, nabit ko siya sa Global Trade Expo. Nagpatuhan pa kami. Di ba, Ma'am?
Pwede na.
Yes, Ma'am. Vibrant and fashionable.
Um, we started our joint reunions, and ever since, we kept that up. So we had mini reunions everywhere in the world. So that's why 62 and 63 are always together. So we would like to, of course, acknowledge Miss Liela Salgado. Mrs. Salgado's presence with us. She loved us and we loved her. And we love everyone else, especially Mrs. Sevilla and Mr. Bonnie. And one thing more. It was during our time that Mr. Bonnie started the formation of the soccer football teams. So we were divided from 4th year to 1st year. Yes or no? Thank you. Isa ba-
You know, you better believe when I say this. You are all looking very young for your age. Yes or no?
Yes!
Senior citizens na pala kayo. Oh my God. But look at you. They're all so young. By the way, for your information, I was one of the earlier teachers there.
Yeah.
Batang-bata pa ako noon. At saka, did you see my photo in that souvenir program? Saksakan ang pamit ko doon. Di ba? Even Stella Dayo did not recognize me. And when I saw it, I almost, sino kaya ito? Ako pala. But now, hindi ba mas maganda ako ngayon?
Yes!
Yeah! FF! Hooray! FF! Kayo naman mga lalaki, pwede ba? Ano ba? FF!
Alam, Ma'am. Isa
I
pa
love you guys!
Don't we just love to have teachers like that?
pa kayo nun. Parang sarap yung kadimik nun, ano?
What's your name again?
I'm Shamir po, Ma'am. Nung high school, mas kilala ko ang Shalimar.
You know, since they're coming up anyway. I was only 19 when I started teaching actually. And then I got 20. Akala ko. Kaya lang, she was always very upset with me because my skirt was very short. Hanggang dito, ano ba naman? I was only 19 and 20. Alam nga naman magsaya ako, no? But anyway,
Nang na-release ang Plake. So a round of applause for that po. At hanggang ngayon, up and running ang banda na yan. Actually, nung jam session, sila ang nangunguna sa lahat ng sayawan ng tugtugan.
Ito po ang 1964. Sino ba? California? Virginia? Los Angeles? We have had reunions po sa LA, sa Las Vegas, sa New Jersey, and pocket reunions all over. Ang masasabi ko lang nung panahon namin, kami yung transition, kami po yung transition. Kami din po ang veterano ng Varsity Restaurant. Kumain po kami ng pansit lomit, matamis na saging. And let me make one thing clear, hindi po ako batang anak ni Mr. Reyes. Medyo hindi rin po kami Golden Jubilarians, although madalas kami sa bilyaran. Anyway, nung panahon namin, I think nagsimula yung averaging. Nalintikan na kami. Yung 75 sa last grading, hindi na pwede. Kailangan consistent, maka-70.
The best decision in becoming a teacher. 47 years later, mga kaibigan ko na sila. And we kept in touch. So I'm proud to be an honorary alumna of EHS.
Isa na lang po. That's it. Tapos na. Nessie, you want to say something? Siya mo lang, ha?
Ako ang batang kapatid nila Jose Milagros at Carmen, kaya lang hindi nila alam.
Isa na lang po. Medyo seryoso. Isang announcement na lang. Sabi nila, para daw magmamatay ang EHS, kailangan alagaan natin. This is what I can say. Tapos na ako ng monumento ni Dr. Jose Rizal sa Cherry Hill. It's built. Tapos na rin ako dun sa Bataan Death March. Now is Phase 3, Lagayan ang pangalan. Tinanong nila ako, Tito Butch, saan mo gusto yung pangalan mo? Sabi ko, ayoko na, nandiyan eh. Ang ilalagay nyo, ang pangalan ng eskwela ko, UST Education High School 1964. We will immortalize you in the United States. Bahala na kayo dito. What? But in the US, magiging immortalized na kayo. Padadala ko sa inyo ang picture.
This one is very serious. 2 seconds, please. I'll tell you how I got very involved with them. Sometime, I think it started a couple of years back, and I would like you to listen to this very beautiful. The guest speaker, so I said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very proud to call on our guest speaker for today. She happens to be the president of the Association of Secretaries. And you see, the Secretaries' Day was celebrated in the travel industry because I initiated it, because I thought they deserved to be honored and awarded for work done. So, and here comes this young lady, so I said, can we give her a round of applause? So she came to the stage, and to my greatest surprise, I really stood 10 foot taller after that. She said, before I say anything, I just want you to know that in this midst, there is a lady here who was my mentor, and I have to tell her I learned a lot from her, and we all loved her. And so when the word mentor came, everybody looked at me and said, my God, Liela, ang tanda-tanda mo na pala. Kasi estudyante mo ngayon, president na ng association. And you know what? When she said that she learned so much from me and the rest of her classmates, you know, I really had a lump in my throat. Because you know why, teachers? The failure of your students is your failure. But the success, thank you. And the work, thank you.
May we ask batches 62 and 63 to join batch 64 as they award Maya.
Merong mahal yun na bagay na nalimutan. Yung asawa ko po, 1964 din. We were high school sweethearts. We've been married for 38 years. Yung asawa ko po, Eleanor Fleur.
Ayan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo.
From 2001.
Alright, once more, palakpakan naman natin batches 62, 63, 64, Ma'am Agnes and Ma'am Liela. Alright.
So much.
Thank you very much po.